Hola y bienvenidos. Welcome back to Hola is Spanish. Today we're going to talk about a key topic in Spanish: los pronombres personales, the personal pronouns. Do you know how to use them correctly? Don't worry, in this video I'll explain everything you need to know, and we'll do some exercises to help you master them. ¿Listo? ¡Vamos! ¿Qué son los pronombres personales? What are the personal pronouns? Well, los pronombres personales are words we use instead of nouns to avoid repetition. In English, they are I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. In Spanish, we have yo, tú, él, ella, eso, esa, nosotros, nosotras, ustedes, ellos o ellas. All these are personal pronouns. Let's make an example in simple present. And by the way, if you don't know how to use the simple present yet, I'll advise you watch my lesson. Making click just right here. For example, we can graph yo, I. Yo hablo español. I speak Spanish. Or we can take tú also. You. Tú hablas español. You speak Spanish. But pronouns are not only for subjects. Spanish has different types of personal pronouns. Let's go over them. Pronombres de objeto directo. Direct object pronouns. Me, te, lo, la, nos, los, las. These replace the noun that receives the action directly. For example, yo tengo el libro. In this sentence, el libro is the subject. So we're gonna take lo. This sentence becomes two. Yo lo tengo. I have it. Pronombres de objeto indirecto. Indirect object pronouns. Me, te, le, nos, les. This indicates for whom or to whom the action is performed. For example, ella me da un regalo. She gives me a gift. In this sentence, the action is for me. So that's why we're gonna use me. Ella me da un regalo. Pronombres reflexivos. Reflexive pronouns. Me, te, se, nos, les. Use them when the subject and the action are from or for the same person. For example, yo me levanto temprano. In this sentence, I am the subject, and the action is from me. I wake up early. Yo me levanto temprano. Pronombres de objeto preposicional. Prepositional object pronouns. And here Only two are different. The rest are the same as the beginning.
Mi, ti, él, ella, nosotros, nosotras, ustedes, ellos, ellas.
For after a preposition. For example, el regalo es para mí. The gift is for me. In this case, I'm going after a preposition, so that's why we use me. Practice time. Let's test your knowledge. Fill in the blanks with the right pronoun.
I see him every day. Yo veo todos los días. Yo lo veo todos los días. She helped us with homework. Ella ayuda con la tarea. Ella nos ayuda con la tarea. The gift is for you. El regalo es para ti. El regalo es para ti.
Now you know how to use the personal pronouns in Spanish. Remember, review them often and practice them with our real sentences. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Nos vemos in the next video. Hasta pronto!